We would like to talk about digital benefits today. So you can predict your outcome of your work beforehand. So we can make pictures of your face, we can make pictures of your teeth, your existing teeth. And then we can change that in your future prospect. So we can show you by smile design what you will look like after the treatment. The second benefit of digital is that you don't have to use any materials for impressions. That means you take a camera, make a picture inside of your mouth, send it to the computer, and then we design the restoration in the computer. After this, we put it into the milling machine, and around 20 to 25 minutes later, we can try that in your mouth, and after that, this is finished. So it is really convenient to use digital workflow because it's fast, it is predictable, and you can see your future smile beforehand.